Hello guys, you are watching DevTech Solution, and in this video I am going to show you how to install a video editing software that is Openshot. So in order to install the Openshot software, first open your terminal and let's zoom it and type sudo apt-get install Openshot and then hit enter. After entering your system password, hit enter. So as you can see that it has said Openshot is already the newest version in our system, so I don't need to reinstall it again in here. And I will close the terminal and through dashboard I will search for Openshot. So here it is. You can just click on here to launch the Openshot software, or you can open your terminal and just type Openshot in there to launch this application. So if this video was beneficial for you, please do hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.